No, this photo of Ariana Grande was not edited, and that's exactly why people are talking about it. Many people say she has always been naturally thin, but looking back at her during Victorious, Dangerous Woman, and Sweetener, you can see that while she was always petite, her appearance today is noticeably different. Fans have pointed out that she looks slimmer now, with more defined bone structure and less facial fullness compared to the past. Ariana eventually responded to the discussion, saying that the time when people thought she looked the healthiest was actually one of the hardest periods of her life.
Body too was the unhealthiest version of my body. I was on a lot of antidepressants and drinking on them and eating poorly, and at the lowest points of my life when I looked the way you consider my healthy, but that in fact wasn't my healthy. And I know I shouldn't have to explain.
She revealed that she was dealing with mental health struggles, drinking, and personal issues behind the scenes. She explained that the version of herself people considered healthy was not necessarily a truly healthy time in her life, but the debate continues. Some believe people should stop commenting on women's bodies.
But I just also wanted to say, one, there are many different kinds of beautiful. There are many different ways to look healthy and beautiful.
Meanwhile, Ariana continues making music, starring in films and breaking records. Yet somehow, the internet still ends up focusing on her appearance.